different items, okay? Okay. They have to be different items. So, titas, are you sure with what you have? Okay, now, mommy, stay over here. Okay, tita, let's see. You have doll and teddy. Okay, 2 points. Very good. And your teammates? Okay, are here. All right, mommy, tita, we have 1 point for doll. 1 item. Okay. You have a lot of dolls?
No, I have one donkey.
Donkey! Donkey. Teka lang, donkey ba talaga to? Tama, donkey! Okay, donkey.
Driver's license.
Driver's license?
Dog pillow.
Dog pillow. 3 points. Imagination. Tama nga naman. And we have
I have 3. Dog pillow, donkey, and driver's license.
4 points. Very good. Good imagination. Now, don't forget to put them back, okay? All right. Now, let's see. Tita, we have
A doll and
2 points. Good job. Please get your prizes. Kids and Tita. Tita, please bring the kids over